So we took the tractor and dug up some of the loam here and then put down gravel. Now we are getting ready to put down our blocks. Measured out, what, 8 feet? We're gonna have 3 posts to support this overhang to house our tractor. We are intentionally not anchoring our posts, just putting them on blocks because our shed is also just floating on blocks as well. So we thought it would all move together. If you don't think that's correct, let me know in the comments.
Right now, I guess when we go downtown.
Right.
And we, like that front corner is low, and we're gonna have to probably bring it up.
So we're gonna kind of get them in place and then make sure that they're level with each other. First step.
Okay, you can put that wherever you want, and then we'll see what the back edge looks like. At the end.
Touching everywhere at least.
It's consistently off.
Right.
It's not too bad actually.
Definitely goes down a little bit, right?
That probably has to go up. So an inch.
So we need some more?
Yeah.
Or are you gonna just do a second
Or do we
block?
just, I don't have a second block. But we could see what a second block would do. Let's see a second block would do.
Because we do have some pavers.
It might be too much.
Oh, that's perfect actually.
So then do you want to just do a second? But the thing is, I worry about that moving.
Right. I just think building it too much up with
Yeah,
gravel
no,
might
that's right.
erode away too.
So then this one though, what are we going to do here?
So maybe we just dig that one down further. We shouldn't probably build up the ground. We should probably dig down because that will be more safer.
That probably
From
gets us
erosion-
more pitch
from
because
erosion.
the higher we go, the more of a problem we're going to have with
Right.
the pitch.
Perfect.
Probably, you need the third post.
Probably not. It's not. We're gonna have a good beefy header, right? We just cut the header and we're gonna put it up. So we're gonna get a couple started. Just a couple. So that way when the two of us are holding the header up, we're not, the ledger.
Yeah.
We're holding the ledger up, then we won't be struggling to try to get it started. Because getting a screw started is always one of the hardest things to do. Well, no, it's just a little beyond the support.
Just try to extend it when we put the roof up, right?
Right.
Ready?
Yep.
Fine. Good. It could come my way if you needed it to.
Oh, that's good. Unless you want it to come your way.
Fine. I don't know if I measured that.
You come up here and hold And then I can drill if you're holding. Slip a little bit. There we go.
It's gonna push back. It doesn't like to go in.
Legend is up. Now we need to screw some more
Structural screws.
Structural screws. Maybe measured from the wrong side. I'm marking where we're going to put the joist hangers.
You have the compressor too, so if you just put in enough to get them started.
Yeah.
So I think you can move it a little bit to make it not be in the way. Like, as long as it's not a seam of plywood.
Yeah.
Fine. All right. So. Well,
What, you wanted the outside edge, right?
No, I want you to pass the edge by 3. What do you got over?
Almost 3.5 inches.
Yeah, so we're gonna mark 3.5 in from the edge, and that's what we're going for here. Get it?
Yep.
You're good with your line?
Yeah. I mean, it's leaning, I think, now, but that's right.
You want to be closer?
I don't know. That'll be fine. Squash more. Yeah. Squash. I like to say interesting things. Yeah. This handed. Squash. Now you can sink them.
Basically level.
Let's party.
Make sure to tell people about templates, like how don't make the mistake of using your template and then making a copy of a copy.
Right. We use our template over and over for all of the boards.
Measures having the same issue that my other one started to have. It won't retract. I really have close to enough plywood anyway, like sheathing. I definitely did not estimate that right. Good?
Yep.
Oh yeah, it's way off. 171. So the whole thing needs to go that way. Like 2.5 inches. So I'd say another 1/2 inch. What is that?
A little more. That's lined up where what you had done.
This is between these posts. This is the property line. Yeah, I got 125 7/8. Yeah, this needs to come in a lot. Now, hang on. I think it should be like 169, and then we'll check the other way. That's definitely moved, because
Yeah.
like,
Nice, but I think that's fallen down.
yeah, it's moved. That's what I mean. It's all moved. Moved lots of ways in different directions. Moved. That is pretty much, I think that's 169. So let's check it the other way again. But these things are also a little bit off too.
Right. So we have.
Well, that's all I found on that tool bench.
Alright, putting in some screws. Got it lined right up here.
It's enough that it's not going to go anywhere.
Right. Do we have enough to put up one more sheet?
I just don't know about the lining it up thing.
If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.